guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a little aesthetic video, me decorating my room for fall and Halloween. I kind of do a little mix of both. My room is a huge mess right now and we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna add some decorations. We're gonna get rid of some decorations. We're just gonna we're getting my life together in my room. But I do want to mention, normally my bed is on the floor. My bed has been on the floor without a mattress for so long. I love how it looks. It's my favorite. But my family was like, you need a bed frame. This is weird. So I have a bed frame now. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't enjoy sleeping on a bed frame. But whatever. So just know, normally I wouldn't have my bed on the bed frame. I'd have it on the floor and it'd be like really cute, kind of like couch style. I'm trying to adjust. I literally just put it yesterday, so I don't know. You guys just let me know. But if you want to see me decorate my room for fall and Halloween and all of this fun stuff, then please keep watching. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed room. I feel so much more in the spirit. I definitely don't have as many decorations as I thought, but that's honestly okay. You know, it's fine. I think it came out really, really cute. Definitely is putting me in the mood for fall and Halloween. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you guys for Halloween videos. I'm officially starting next video's Halloween makeup. We're gonna get this. We're gonna do it. So I will see you guys in the next video for Halloween.